Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel. In the last video, we discussed about compounding techniques, that is future value techniques. In that, we completed the future value of single present cash flows. In the compounding techniques, we have second one, that is future value of annuity, that is also called series of equal cash flows. Equal cash flows means every year we are investing same amount of money. For example, this year 2000, next year 2000, coming up year 2000. Same amount we are investing. Then we will use this formula. Okay. So at the end of the year, we are investing same amount of money. Then we will use this formula. Okay. So future value of annuity is equals to R into 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 plus R into 1 plus I to the power of n minus 2 plus R into 1 plus I to the power of 3. Likewise, if you have number of years increases, then formula also increases, or else we can use this formula also. Future value of annuity is equals to A into 1 plus R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R. You'll get same value. Somewhat the points are different, but the answer will be right. Okay. Here one question. Mr. Vijay is depositing 2000 at the end of each year at the rate of 9% per annum compound interest. So 2000 at the end of each year. Every year ending lo 2000 deposit చేస్తున్నాడు Vijay with 9% compound interest. Interest rate is 9%. How much amount Mr. Vijay Raj get at the end of 5th year? So at the end of the 5th year, how much amount he will get? So future amount we need to find out. Okay, so future value of annuity we are calculating here. So why we are calculating future value of annuity? Because at the end of each year 2000 is depositing by Vijay. So every year same amount of money is investing, so that we are applying this formula. Okay, A into 1 plus R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R. Okay, then here A is equals to amount of each installment, R is equals to rate of interest, and N is equals to number of years. Okay, so amount of each installment, how much? 2000. 2000 into 1 plus R. R is equals to rate of interest. How much rate? 9%. So 9% is converted into decimals, 0.09. Okay, so 0.09. How to get this? 9 divided by 100 means that is 0.09. Whole to the power of n is equals to how many years? 5 years. So 5 minus 1 divided by R is equals to 0.09. Okay. So 2000 into 1 plus 0.09, 1.09 to the power of 5 minus 1 divided by 0.09. 2000 into 1.09 is multiplied 5 times. See, 1.09 into 5 times. So how much? 1.5386. 1.5386 minus 1 divided by 0.09. Okay, so how much you will get? 2000 into 1.5386 minus 1, you will get 0.5386 divided by 0.09. Okay. Then 2000 into 0.5386 divided by 0.09. How much? 5.98. 5.98. So 5.984 is multiplied with 2000, then you will get 11,968. What is this amount? This is the future value of annuity. If you are investing 2000 at the end of the every year, after 5th year, you will get 11,968 rupees. So this is the calculation process of if series of equal cash flows. Third method under compounding techniques, future value of uneven cash flows. Uneven means every year we are investing different amount of money. For example, see this question. 4 years here given. First year 2000, second year 4000, third year 6000, fourth year 8000 invested. Then what is the question here? Calculate the future value of the following cash flows if it is invested at the rate of 8% interest rate per annum. Okay, so here given different amounts. then we will use this formula, future value of uneven cash flows. Already you have formula is here. So I'm applying in that formula, future value of uneven cash flows is equals to R1. Here R1, R2, R3 means here we have 4 years means our formula will be extended. That is R4 also. R4 into 1 plus I to the power of n minus 4. Okay, because here given 4 years. If you have 5 years, extend up to 5 years. So R1, what is R1 here? This is R1, this is R2, R3, R4. Okay, so R1 value how much? 2000 into 1 plus I means rate of interest. So 8% is nothing but 0.08. 8 divided by 100, you will get 0.08. So that is converted into decimals. N is equals to how many years? Total 4 years. So 4 minus 1 plus R2. What is R2? 4000 into 1 plus I, interest rate 0.08. N is equals to 4 minus 2 plus R3, 6000 into 1 plus I, 0.08. N is equals to 4 minus 3 plus R4. How much R4? R4 is equals to 8000. So 8000 into 1 plus I, 0.08, 4 minus 4. Okay. So now 2000 into 1.08, because 1 plus 0.08, 1.08, 4 minus 1, 3 plus 4000, 1.08, 4 minus 2, 2 plus 6000 into 1.08, 4 minus 3, 1 plus 8000 into 1.08 to the power 4 minus 4, 0. And next 2000 into 1.08 is multiplied 3 times. Then you will get this value. See, 1.08 into 1.08 into 1.08. So what is the value? 1.259. 259 ఎలా తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ 1.26 గా తీసుకున్నాం. 9 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఒక నంబర్ యాడ్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఓకే. Next 4000 into 1.08 is multiplied 2 times. If you multiply 2 times, you'll get this value. If you multiply 1 time, you'll get this value. Okay. And coming to this 8000 into 1.08 to the power of 0 means it is equals to 1 in the future value and present value calculation. Okay. Remember this. Then 2000 into 1.26. How much? 2000 into 1.26. 2560. 520, sorry. Plus 4000 into 1.17. 4680. Plus 6000 into 1.08. 6480. Plus 8000 into 1. 8000. Add this total. 21,680. What is this 21,680? Future value of uneven cash flow. After 4th year, you are receiving this amount. If you are investing every year, different amount like 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000. If you invest, at the end of 4th year, you will get this amount. Okay? Yeah. Thank you for watching.